Are you tired of juggling notes or missing important points during meeting sessions? Or even worse, not able to remember all that you listened to while you're having these productive meeting sessions? Now, for someone like me who always have Zoom sessions with clients, customers, or even some of my students, at a point, I'll be trying to remember what was discussed or even trying to get some of the points that are mentioned in that Zoom call or in that meeting session so that I can even take the point because I said something so remarkable that I myself need to remember that stuff that I said during the session. And guess what? I will not remember any of those sessions and I will lose all these important meetings until I found this particular tool, Fathom AI, that helps you to take notes and summarize every detail of your meeting sessions with you and your students, or when you're having a class on Zoom with your student or with your mentor. So which simply means that no more missing critical information or details. And this is going to boost your productivity because the moment you start taking notes while you are learning, it stops you from understanding some of the stuff you're learning. But if you are able to know that you just need to learn and later you can come back to the notes and have it summarized or have the entire detail and the clip of that meeting sessions, then that is awesome. That is why I'm going to be introducing you to this particular fantastic tool, Fathom AI, that helps you to take notes, summarize all your meetings, and boost your productivity in the shortest time possible. Let's look at this tool. So in this step-by-step guide, I want to show you everything that you need to do from beginning to the end on how to set this thing up. It's very, very simple. It's not going to take much of your time. Now let's go into it. The step number one is that you want to go and sign up onto Fathom AI. So just head on to Fathom AI or Fathom.video so that you can go sign up with them. It's a free tool to use, right? Go sign up and it will automatically link to your Zoom account whenever you're making calls. That's the first thing to do. Now, in a case whereby this tool did not link to your Zoom account automatically, you have an option to link them up, right? You go to your calendar on your Zoom, you can actually link them up in your Zoom dashboard. You could link the Fathom AI to your Zoom like this, then have it all set up so that whenever you're having a meeting, it will automatically start taking notes of the meeting and recording these meetings. So after step 2, which is connecting Fathom AI with your Zoom, the next thing you want to do is to actually download this Fathom AI on your own desktop so that it can help you manage the recordings of your meetings, right? Because the moment you have it on your own desktop, every time you just put on your Zoom, it's able to manage your recording, record them, manage them, and secure them on the Fathom AI platform. In some cases, you will have them stored in your own system, right? All the videos that have been recorded during the session can be stored by the Fathom AI in your own system. Then you go to step number 4. So step 4 now is to configure this tool properly. Now there are some options here. When you're configuring this tool, you have the option to allow it to take notes or option of it not to take note automatically. There are some calls that you want to have. In these calls, you don't want the Fathom AI to take the notes of this call, probably because they are confidential or they are private calls that you're making via Zoom, or maybe the person asks you not to record. So you want to make sure that you have the right settings for your call sessions when you're using Fathom AI, because this tool is going to record automatically every of your calls and you don't need to do anything the moment you set it up. So make sure you have the right setup from get-go. And if you need to edit the setup for a particular Zoom call, you can also do that as well. Now step 5, you want to test this whole stuff. So just go ahead, go and start your Zoom. When you start your Zoom, watch and see if Fathom AI is going to pick up automatically to start recording your Zoom session. Sometimes it takes some time before Fathom AI will join. Other times it just joins automatically once your Zoom session is on. So you now move to step number 6. Step number 6 is you need to make sure that you check the Fathom AI settings when it is on, when it's recording any of your summaries or any of your Zoom calls, because you also have option to allow it to give you notes, right? To create notes. Apart from creating videos, it can also create notes on the go. And you can also impute and choose certain options that you want to have on that particular Zoom meetings. So that's one other thing you need to check when you're using Fathom AI. Finally, after recording your sessions, where will you see the recorded videos and the notes? That is where the accessibility part of this video comes. Now, finally, after recording your videos, how do you access the recorded videos? You are not going to see it inside of your Zoom or on your laptop. The first place to see your notes and your video that was recorded by Fathom AI is on their own website. So the moment the video is done, once you off your meeting on the Zoom, Fathom AI will generate a link automatically. The link is going to take you to your videos on the Fathom AI web platform. So when you click, it will open the interface where the videos are stored. Then you will now have access to your video and to your summary. So the cool thing about Fathom AI is that you can literally share the link of the recorded video to anybody at all, and they can have access to it. It can be your student or your teacher, wherever it is. You can be able to share the link and they can have access to it without having a Fathom account. It will just play and show them the summary of the video with a timestamp and where to actually go to get the entire meeting. So it may be in the beginning of the meeting, you started the meeting without doing much. In the intro, you can just have a timestamp that takes them to where the meeting actually got started. And that is the flexibility you have when it comes to using Fathom AI with Zoom for your call summary and video recording. Alright, if this video is helpful to you, click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell for subsequent video. See you in the next one. Oh, before I forget, click on this particular video, go and watch it and learn more about how to start your business and be more productive. See you in the next one.